Hello, good morning. Today I will discuss about the wind turbine and its classification and how the process occurs in the wind turbine that will study in this video. So first of all, what is wind turbines? Wind turbines are system that harness the kinetic energy of the wind for useful power. Wind flows over the rotor of a wind turbine, converting it to rotate on a shaft. The resulting shaft power can be used for mechanical work like pumping water, or it run to a generator to produce electrical water. We know that the function of the wind turbine, that it converts the wind to the wind. When the wind comes on the blades, then it going to be rotate, so mechanical energy is to be obtained. By the help of mechanical energy, with the application of generator, we convert into the form of the electricity. So where the wind phenomena is to be good, at that locations we use the wind turbine. So the main input for the wind turbine is the wind speed. Wind turbine span a wide range of sizes, for small rooftop turbines generating less than 100 kilowatt up to large commercial wind turbine in the megawatt power. We know that whatever the requirement of the energy, it is totally depend upon the power output from the turbine. So in the wind turbine, when the wide range of size, a small rooftop turbine less than 100 kilowatt up to large commercial wind turbine. So the power is to be calculated into the term of megawatt. Next is wind as an energy resource. We know that the power available in the wind, P is equal to half A rho V cube, where rho is the density and A is the capture area and V is the speed. V is the speed, rho is the density, and A is the capture area from which the air comes. We know that in the wind turbine, the blades which are mounted on the rotor, that must be into the aerodynamics shape and size, because the wind comes on the surface on the turbine blades. Either we can say that the blade designed in such a way that maximum intensity of the air comes on the surface blade. The phenomena that the blade moves on upon the principle of the drag and lift force parallel to the lift force acting perpendicular to the blade, and drag force parallel to the blade, so that maximum air cuts down while it moves on. Wind speed increases with height above the ground because of the earth boundary layer. This is a figure that this is a wind speed V, P is equal to half rho A V cube. डेंसिटी जो होती है एयर की, दैट इज़ 1.225 kg per meter cube, और एरिया दैट इज़ पाई d square by 4. Types of wind turbine. There are two types of wind turbine. First one is the horizontal axis wind turbine, इसको हम कहते हैं HAWT, and second one is the vertical axis wind turbine, जिसको हम कहते हैं VAWT. First, HAWT. Modern HAWT usually feature rotors that reassemble aircraft propellers, which operates on similar aerodynamics principle. The airflow over the aerofoil shaped blades creates a lifting force that turns the rotor. The nacelle of a horizontal axis wind turbine house a gearbox and a generator arrangement. So in a HAWT, that features that works on the aerodynamics principle. We know that the aerodynamics principle, the air flow over the aerofoil shaped blades create a lifting for the turns the rotor. And a nacelle is the arrangement of the setup of gearbox, which when we know that the speed into the different manner, sometimes the speed is very high, sometimes the speed is less. So gearbox is a system which maintains the speed of the wind while passing to the rotor, so that appropriate power is to be obtained from the system. This is a figure for horizontal axis wind turbine. This is a tower This is a nacelle where the system arrangement is to be there, and this one is the rotor blade. When the speed comes onto this surface, that the blades while going to move on, by the movement of the blade, a set of nacelle, it is the arrangement of the shaft, gearbox, and this is to be power is to be obtained by the rotation of the shaft. This is a two blades system. This is three blade system. This is and another part of the multi blade system where the number of blades on the rotor disc. The capture area of a horizontal axis wind turbine, the area over which the sweeping blades can capture of the wind, A is equal to pi d by 2 whole square. D is the rotor diameter. We know that the total size of the rotor blade, it is depend upon the total power developed by the wind turbine. So this is the schematic diagram for the horizontal axis wind turbine. Next is VAWT, vertical axis wind turbine. We know that there are two types of vertical axis wind turbine. First is Savius, second one is the Darius. So the two types of the vertical axis wind turbine, one is the Savius, another one is the Darius. In the Savius, water wheel using drag force, Savius में जो water wheel होता है उसमें drag force मिलता है, और Darius it is similar to the horizontal axis wind turbine. तो जो principal horizontal axis wind turbine का है, it is almost similar into the Darius. So in a vertical axis wind turbine, typically operations close into the ground, which has the advantage of allowing placement of heavy equipments like the generator and gearbox near ground level rather than in the nacelle. Another advantage of the vertical axis wind turbine over the horizontal axis wind turbine is that it does not require a yaw mechanism. So this is the figure for Darius and Savius wind turbine. We know that the system arrangement in the vertical axis wind turbine, that the gearbox and arrangement that is based upon the horizontal axis wind turbine is similar to the Savius wind turbine, and in vertical axis wind turbine the set of arrangement is obtained into the horizontal axis into this area, and as well as in the Savius wind turbine this is to be obtained into this area. So the two methods for wind turbine, one is HAWT and VAWT. So similar, according to the similar way, a question is to be arise that explain the different types of the rotor that are used in the wind turbine. So we know that the different types of the wind turbine, that different types is to be based upon the vertical axis wind turbine and horizontal axis wind turbine. In vertical axis wind turbine, that the two methods Savius and Darius, where the motor deforma is to be there, into that particular way we can be set upon the how the horizontal axis wind turbine. In the types of wind turbine, horizontal axis wind turbine and vertical axis wind turbine, that is the rotor is to be designed consideration according to the axis, horizontal as well as vertical axis. Totally the area of the blades, that is depend upon the how much the power is to be obtained. So in the VAWT typically operates closer to the ground, which has the advantage of allowing placement of heavy. जो क्लोज़र है टिपिकली वर्टिकल एक्सिस विंड टर्बाइन में जो ग्राउंड पे है उसमें सारा अरेंजमेंट जो निकल का है वो हम करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ए लार्ज एरिया इज़ टू बी found by the rotation of the blades in the vertical axis wind turbine. So in this lecture we discuss about only the types of wind turbine and how the wind turbine is to be operates. Thank you.